Hey there, welcome back to Triplezon. Today we are exploring the best AI smart glasses. If you ever wished your glasses could translate languages, record meetings, play music, and even act as your smart assistant, you are going to love this one. Let's take a closer look at this futuristic wearable. Let's get started. The Get GG13 AI smart glasses combine smart technology, audio performance, and stylish eyewear into one powerful device. These are designed as true 3-in-1 smart glasses. You get an AI assistant, real-time language translation, and voice recording, while also enjoying open-ear Bluetooth audio and modern photochromic eyewear for both men and women. With support from the Get app, the AI system inside the Get GG13 AI smart glasses is powered by advanced platforms like ChatGPT and DeepSeek. This allows you to have fast, natural, and accurate conversations. You can ask questions, get information, or even receive quick help during daily tasks without pulling out your phone. One of the most impressive features is the high-precision bidirectional translation. The glasses support 147 languages across more than 170 countries. This makes them incredibly useful for travel, international business meetings, or communicating with people from different parts of the world. You can understand and respond in real time, which makes conversation smoother and more confident. The built-in voice recorder is another practical feature. It can convert speech to text with high accuracy. This is perfect for capturing meeting notes, personal ideas, or reminders on the go. You do not need to hold your phone or type anything manually. Everything is recorded and converted for you. For audio, the Get's GD13 AI smart glasses use a G-Direct directional open-ear audio design. This gives you clear stereo sound while still allowing you to hear your surroundings. It is great for staying aware in public spaces. 2 noise-reducing microphones ensure your calls sound crisp and stable, even in busy environments. Bluetooth 5.4 provides strong and reliable connectivity with both Android and iOS devices. Comfort and style are also carefully designed. The lightweight TR90 frame feels comfortable for long hours of wear. The lenses are polarized and offer 100% UV protection. They also feature anti-glare coating, oil resistance, and impact resistance. If needed, you can even replace them with prescription lenses. Battery life is built for all-day use. Dual 115 mAh batteries provide up to 15 days of standby time, 11 hours of music playback, and 9 hours of calling. Magnetic charging makes recharging simple and convenient. With IP54 water resistance and built-in overload protection, these glasses are ready for everyday life. Smart, stylish, and seriously useful. If you want hands-free assistance, global translation, quality audio, and modern eyewear in one device, the Get It GG13 AI smart glasses are definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more innovative product videos. See you next time.